How to keep the healing.
Well, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe and click that bell notification so you're notified every time I post another video. This video is sponsored by Ayiyi Hair, and I am in love with this custom colored wig. Okay, this blend, honey, listen, this wig is super duper easy to install. It's constructed very well. As you can see, the lace isn't super duper thick, and it actually melted into the skin very well. This is one of those wigs that is super easy and fast to install because it is not a full lace wig from ear to ear, so you only have a very small space to worry about. And you guys, I actually haven't been braiding my hair up under my wigs. I'm actually going to stop doing that for a split second, just for a split second, and in the video coming soon I'm going to explain that. But this, like I said, super duper easy. I just went in and made sure that the lace was laying flat with my pressing comb, and I'm going to show you guys two different styles. You can do this with a middle part or with a side part, and I like to switch it up. Sometimes you think that because it's not a full lace wig from ear to ear, then you can't have multiple parts, but you actually can. You just adjust the wig a little bit. Okay, you want a part on the right side, you shift that bad boy over to the right side, or if you want it in the middle, you put that bad boy in the middle. Okay, and another thing, you guys are also gonna see two different looks, one with me with some lashes on and one without the lashes. Now, even though they sent me so many goodies including lashes, okay, and these are not the lashes that they sent, by the way, but your girl, I just really like how my eyeballs look with my natural lashes. I know, I'm sorry, that's an unpopular opinion, but in the world, Craig, I just prefer to have my own lashes with a bunch of mascara on. So can y'all let me live in life? Leave me some comments below and let me know if you could tell the difference. I know you could tell the difference. In the side part, we got lashes on. Without the side part, with the middle part, we don't have no lashes on. And I like myself with no lashes on. Tell me what you think. I know. It probably seems like I'm being extra, but you know, all of the information for this wig can be found in the description box below. Make sure you check it out. All of the questions can be answered there, the length, texture, all that stuff. Okay. Remember, lashes or no lashes.
Bye.